Riding with Danny. My name is Dylan, and this is a brand new adventure for me. I've never really done YouTube or content creation, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize now if I come off as awkward or inexperienced, but that's probably because I am awkward and I'm inexperienced with YouTube, but I'm going to do my best. It's Riding with Danny, this YouTube channel. It's really dedicated to my adventures with my family, camping, my dog Danny, a Belgian Malinois who we'll meet in just a minute, and then ultimately kind of showing off my 2023 4Runner TRD Pro that I recently got, and kind of discuss some of the plans that I have for it in the future. But come along for the journey. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you around. All right, now that we've checked out the outside, let's take a look on the inside. So this is my 2023 4Runner TRD Pro. I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough of the inside so you guys can see where we're starting at, what we've got going on in here, then go from there. All right. So the 2023 4Runner TRD Pro comes kind of decked out as far as the amenities go. Nice leather interior, black interior, very clean, nice sunroof, red stitching, the TRD logos on the headrest. Kind of a nice little setup. I've never really had a vehicle that's been as quality as this one, so it's been a pleasant ride and experience so far. But comes standard with all the TRD stuff, the 4Runner mats, again the logos on the headrests, and then the embroidery on the gear shifter in the middle. But really not too much I've done in here yet. All the mats and everything kind of came with it, but I did buy this not too long ago. It's a cool little Molly panel from Amazon. I think it was like $20, $25, something like that. I'll link it in the description below, but kind of a cool thing. You can attach your accessories to it. I'm going to add probably another one over there to the other side, and eventually I'm going to do the same for the panels in the back. So if we come to the back of the 4Runner here, we have these windows in the back. They're kind of useless. They don't really do anything, provide any real visibility. So the plan is to get online and buy some of the Molly paneling that kind of goes over this section. I think they screw into this hanger right here, and then they cover the windows. And then you can even get some that kind of sit right here in the back to give you some more functional space here. I think I've even seen them where they've got the Molly paneling that kind of comes up over the top and gives you kind of like a shelf. That's kind of cool. Not really sure if I'm going to do that one yet or not, but I'd like to check it out. And then really the cargo area, it's all carpeted. I actually bought these off of Amazon recently. I'll also throw those in the description below, but these are nice all-weather mats. They were like $80 off of Amazon. I know they're not WeatherTech or any of the really high-end, expensive name brand cargo liners or mats, but honestly, I'm pretty impressed with these. They're fairly sturdy, waterproof or water resistant, pretty easy to put in too. All of these had Velcro backing that helps to kind of keep it stuck to the seats. So when I lay all of these seats down, I have this nice flat cargo area where Danny can get up, run around, move around, or if I need to move something, haul something larger, I can kind of lay the seats flat and have a nice area so I don't have to worry about like tearing up the carpet or scratching up plastic, anything like that. But pretty nice, not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting a whole lot buying like an $80 like floor mat from Amazon, but turned out to be pretty nice. But that's really accessories and stuff so far. I really haven't had this vehicle too long, but I've got a lot of plans. I'd like to do a lot of things. Camping, the tent thing on the top, the whole thing, right? We want to do the whole experience. But that's just a quick look at the 4Runner. Thanks for the first video. Like I said at the beginning, I'm probably fairly awkward and inexperienced with YouTube, so just bear with me. I'm sure I'll get better at this as it goes by, but thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. All right. So we checked out the vehicle. Now it's time to see the real star of the channel. There he is. This is my Belgian Malinois Danny. This boy is 1 year old, and he will do absolutely anything in the world for this. Ready? Good boy! Come on! Good boy. Leave it. You sit. And down. Good boy. So we'll be seeing a lot of you in the future, but this is just a quick introduction of this boy right here. Thanks.